The Fosshotel Baron is a popular hotel with those looking to explore Reykjavik and Iceland on a budget, and its location is ideal for those wanting to explore the wonderful city of Reykjavik. Being located on the seafront, it's just a 2-minute walk away from the fabulous Sun Voyager sculpture, and those with seafront facing rooms will get a fantastic view across the bay. It's also convenient for those wanting to explore the city, with the wonderful Hallgrímskirkja church just 5 to 10 minutes walk away. The surrounding streets are filled with bars, cafes, restaurants and supermarkets, and minimus drop-off and collections are also possible from immediately outside the hotel entrance in the car park. The hotel itself is welcoming, and as soon as you enter the hotel, reception greets you. There is a small seating area, and the reception staff can serve you a refreshing beer or a tasty coffee. You can also buy bottles of water, beer, soft drinks, as well as snacks that you can take to your room and enjoy them there. So what are the rooms like? Let's take a look. Hello and welcome to room 318 here at the Fosshotel Baron in Reykjavik. So let's gonna show you around and just see what this room's actually like. So it's quite a basic room, I think it's fair to say, but we've stayed here before, we know it's not expensive and we actually quite liked it. So let's have a look around. So it's configured in the double bed configuration. It can be made up as 2 singles, but we know it's quite a straightforward layout. Plug sockets either side. Obviously these are the 2-pin plugs you get in Iceland and other Scandinavian countries. Bedroom reading lights. They give you towels on the bed, so that's a good. Small screen TV here, so there are some local channels and some international channels as well on that. Tea and coffee making facilities. Now we like that. That's always good in the hotel room. With some tea bags there and some sort of sachets of coffee, decaf and non-decaf there. More plug sockets, small phone if you need to ring reception, some drawers and cupboards. But what we do like is the recycling bins down here. Aren't they excellent? Really, really good. Again, you know, very typical of Iceland, very conscientious when it comes to the environment. We like that. Somewhere to put your case and a double wardrobe with a safe inside to put all your valuables and your passport and everything like that. There is no fridge in here, so if you're bringing medication and you need it chilled, you'll need to have that conversation with the team at reception, who are really, really helpful. Let's have a quick look at the bathroom. It's a bit compact and bijou, but it's functional, I think it's fair to say. So a shower with a shower curtain. We do know that the water here in Iceland, in fact on most of the hotels, is quite sulphurous, so if you've never stayed in Iceland before, be wary of that. It's a bit of a shock when you first take a shower. You think, oh, what's that rotten egg smell? There's a hairdryer on the wall with a shaver socket as well. Okay, and then obviously a sort of hand basin there with some soaps and shampoos also provided, and the usual toilet with toilet rolls. Good provision of those. And I think the last thing to point out before we finish is that the outlook from this room. So, you know, it's a city centre hotel, and as I say, Reykjavik's quite a compact city, so you're overlooking typically at other buildings and other apartments here. But if you're very, very careful and you look around the corner, you can just make out the mountains over in the distance over there, which is really, really nice. So this is the second time that we've stayed here, and we know it's all right. So our room, basic but functional. Note that beds are made up and towels changed only if you request it. There is no restaurant serving an evening meal at this hotel, but there is a really pleasant breakfast room. Breakfast is rather good, and a good hot breakfast is served daily along with a range of cold meats, cereals, fruit, toast, muffins and croissants. Tea, coffee and fruit juices are also provided. Breakfast is served from 7 AM to 10 AM. They can even sort you a packed lunch if you're away from the city on an excursion. We were really happy with the breakfast here. So in summary, Fosshotel Baron is a pleasant, functional hotel and a good base for those wanting to get out and about and explore Reykjavik and the beautiful surrounding areas. It's basic, but has plenty to offer the cost-conscious traveller. Why not see what we've got up to in our stays in Reykjavik by watching these videos next? Thanks for watching. If you like what we do, why not like and subscribe? Cheers.